Gross, get off me. Hey, everybody.
Hi.
It's level 1, 8 count.
Peter.
Naomi, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We did...
Twist.
Hit it. That's the twist. And there's me, just looking at it. We practiced it like this, though. Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist, 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 twist. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then we swung out again.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, ho, ha, ah.
Leaders, remember when you step back, it's not just, woo, is my sock drawer empty? Yank. It's, hey, let me take a step with my body actually a little bit. So if you have this stretch, it makes the next thing a lot easier.
And followers, we're not thinking about twisting and then coming in. We're just trying to twist and then we find out if we're coming in. And I promised a student that we would practice just the footwork for a second for the followers at home. Peter, why don't you do 8 count footwork next to me anyway, just in case anyone wants to practice the footwork. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's take a walk, Peter. Bye. So you can practice it moving around. Then we also did a double tuck turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8.
We also went the other way. Hey.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ho.
You come out of a circle, you can just go right into it.
5, 6, 7, 8.
And open, close, reverse. We'll do more next week. Bye.
Bye.
Hey.